Introducing the highly anticipated 2023 Ducati Scrambler family. Ducati, renowned for its commitment to fun, technology, safety, and ease of use, has once again delivered a new generation of motorcycles that perfectly embodies these principles. Let's dive into the impressive features that make the 2023 Ducati Scrambler a true standout. Powering the Scrambler range is an air-cooled 803cc twin engine with a desmodromic valve system. With a claimed 73 horsepower and 48.1 pound-feet of torque at 7,000 revolutions per minute, this machine offers thrilling performance for riders seeking adventure. The new generation engine is not only lighter by 5.5 pounds, but it's also equipped with a softer operating 8-disc clutch, providing a smoother riding experience. Plus, the compact design allows for more foot space and a reduced right side cover. The 2023 Scrambler features an updated and lightened trellis frame, along with a redesigned swing arm and repositioned shock absorber. Additionally, the rear subframe is now easily removable, providing a great advantage for custom bike builders. Electronic management of the ride-by-wire throttle ensures a responsive and progressive engine at all throttle positions. The Scrambler also comes with Ducati traction control and 2 riding modes, road and wet, offering enhanced safety and adaptability. ABS cornering is standard equipment. The 2023 Ducati Scrambler boasts renewed wheel designs with 18-inch and 17-inch sizes at the front and rear, respectively. This, along with various weight-saving measures, contributes to a total wet weight reduction of 8.8 pounds. The Icon and Full Throttle models weigh in at 408 pounds, while the Night Shift model comes in at 421 pounds. But the Ducati Scrambler isn't just about performance. Its distinct style remains a vital part of its appeal. The Scrambler range retains the iconic X in its full LED headlight, now featuring a more recognizable design. The new taillight showcases a semicircular line, also in full LED, accompanied by stylish direction indicators. The redesigned steel tank now comes with an interchangeable cover, allowing riders to personalize their Scrambler easily. Fenders and headlamp details can be modified as well, providing a quick and effortless way to add a touch of individuality. Anodized aluminum covers beneath the tank complete the bike's refreshed front design. The 2023 Scrambler features a 4.3-inch color TFT display with dedicated HMI. For added convenience, the Ducati multimedia system is available as an accessory, enabling seamless smartphone connectivity for music and calls. When it comes to personalization, the Ducati Scrambler offers endless possibilities. The Icon version alone comes in 3 standard colors: 62 yellow, thrilling black, and Ducati red. Additionally, there are 6 accessory kits available, including tank covers, fenders, headlamp covers, and wheel tags, allowing riders to truly make the Scrambler their own. To further enhance self-expression, a wide range of accessories is available. These include exhaust options by Termignoni, such as the street-legal silencer with a striking black finish and contrasting ring available in yellow, red, or blue. There's also a complete steel exhaust in flat track style, accompanied by a dedicated AQ map. And for those seeking a street-legal short silencer, the Scrambler offers another exciting option. But the customization doesn't stop there. Ducati provides an array of accessories, from saddles to meticulously machined details like foot pegs, mirrors, and tank caps, allowing riders to fine-tune their Scrambler experience. Soft bags are also available for those seeking added versatility. The 2023 Ducati Scrambler family blends power, style, and customization like never before. With its impressive performance, enhanced riding features, and an array of customization options, the Scrambler is poised to elevate your riding experience to new heights. Embrace the spirit of adventure with the 2023 Ducati Scrambler.